Paddle Ninja.
Well, this video is regarding on C account engagement email bounce data in one report. So basically, the email bounce report is a report that contains soft and hard bounce email addresses from all types of emails that is sent from the past year. So this report will reflect the unique emails sent, and it will break down the delivered versus the bounce emails. Also, it will show soft bounces and hard bounces, so you can use it to see or review what actions you may take if the email have bounced. So instead of looking at the bounce email addresses individually on these email reports, you can also use this email bounce report to simplify, or if you want to see an overview of everything. Okay. So email bounce report metrics, there are a few data or a few details inside of it. And here's the description. So basically we have bounce date, bounce type, company, email address, email type, email sent type, prospect name, the reason to why the email is bounced or returned, subject, and then the template. So there is also an email bounce rate. The bounce rate is the number of hard bounces plus soft bounces divided by the number of emails sent, multiplied by 100. So I know it's like a computation, but that is very important because you will know your bounce rate. And if the bounce rate is below 10%, it's very good in it is considered very good in account engagement. So who can see or who can access the Pardot email bounce report? This is now available on all account engagement or Pardot editions. And it includes bounce email addresses from both Pardot and Lightning, Pardot Classic and Lightning. In this report, you will also get all emails sent over the past or the last year, total email sent, total bounce and delivered, and soft versus hard bounce type. So to get to the email bounce report, just go to account engagement or Pardot, and then on the top, look for account engagement reports. If this is not included, you can also configure this and add it on the tabs above. After you click on account engagement reports, you will see emails on the left side. Just show all, or just click on the drop down arrow, so it will show the email bounces. Once you are there, you will see the statistics. So this is just an example of what you'll be seeing. So you'll see delivered bounce is 1.25%, which is very good. You will also see hard bounces or soft bounces details as well. So in the below of this chart, you will see the report details. This is where you can see the bounce reason, the date, the email that was it's from, and then the send type, the template name as well. So in here, you can plan or see what you should be doing on those emails. So the Pardot email bounce report is very useful for that case because it will potentially help you how you can resolve or action those emails. So upon taking action, you can see if there's like a trend that is contributing to the bounce rate. Sometimes your subject lines may seem to be like a spam, so they don't really, or they report you as a spam. Templates that continuously bounce, date of emails, when are those high, certain email or email domains probably misspelled, or the email domains not active. So there you have it. I hope that is clear. Thank you.